Hi, I'm Josh Wisoki with Compass. We're here on East 70th Street at the heart of the Upper East Side. Today I'm going to show you one of the most beautiful and historic carriage houses. There's a lot to see inside, so follow me. The current owners purchased the house from the Rockefellers and converted it into a spectacular family residence. The house has over 7,000 square feet above the ground, with 4 bedrooms, 3 full and 3 half baths. While there are many unique features to the house, one of them, the solarium on the roof, is a truly spectacular addition, as well as one of the greatest luxuries anybody could have in a Manhattan townhouse, a private garage and legal curb cut for parking your car. Of the many rare and unique things about this house, one of my favorites is this incredible 3-story atrium with the sculptural staircase bringing an amazing amount of light right into the center of the house. Unlike most townhouses where living is very vertical across 5 floors, here almost all of your principal rooms are on just 2 floors, and you really feel the 26 feet in width that is one of the amazing features of this house. This house was designed for entertaining on a grand scale. In the living room, you'll see we have an incredible sense of scale with unbelievable wall space for even the most important art collection, as well as multiple seating areas. Truly designed for modern living, right off the living room we have this more intimate library. It also features a huge wood-burning fireplace. And here in the library we have these 3 oversized windows facing onto East 70th Street, one of the most beautiful streets in all of Manhattan. At the rear of the entertaining floor is this enormous light-filled eating kitchen. This kitchen is built on a scale that one usually only sees in huge suburban houses. And the family that lived here regularly entertained over 20 to 30 people for dinner parties. One of the nicest features of this kitchen is that you can step out onto this charming terrace and dine al fresco. Better than a backyard in Manhattan because we're a full floor above ground. This charming terrace has beautiful views over the townhouse gardens behind us, and in the spring, amazing cherry blossoms. The layout of the bedroom floor is absolutely perfect, with an enormous master suite in its own private wing, as well as a guest wing with 3 secondary bedrooms. This sprawling master suite is filled with light with 3 huge south-facing windows, as well as a large interior window onto the skylit atrium. Endless closet space, room enough for multiple seating areas, as well as a master bath big enough for a party. This spectacular townhouse is truly unique with incredibly rare features, amazing natural light throughout the whole house, loft-like proportions in every floor and every room. I hope you've enjoyed coming on this tour.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?